Fish have specialized internal organs that help them survive in water. These organs allow fish to eat, breathe, circulate blood, remove. Fish have specialized internal organs that help them survive in water. These organs allow fish to eat, breathe, circulate blood, remove waste, and reproduce. Understanding fish anatomy is important in fisheries, aquaculture, and biology because it helps in fish health management, breeding, and conservation. This slide presents the goals of the lesson. To identify the internal parts of fish, to describe the function of each organ, to understand their importance in maintaining fish life. This slide gives a general overview of the major internal system of fish. Digestive system breaks down food into absorbed nutrients. Respiratory system allows fish to breathing using gills. Circulatory system transport oxygen and nutrients through blood. Excretory system remove waste products. Circulatory system transport oxygen and nutrients through blood. Excretory system removes waste products. Reproductive system responsible for producing offspring. This system work together to keep the fish alive and healthy. Digestive system it breaks down food into simpler substance. It absorbs nutrients needed for growth and energy. It eliminates waste from the body. It absorbs nutrients needed for growth and energy. It eliminates waste from the body. A healthy digestive system is important for power growth and survival of fish. Mouth. The mouth is the entry point of food. Its shape varies depending on feeding habits, carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous. It helps in capturing and holding food. For example, predatory fish have wide mouths, while plant-eating fish often have smaller mouths. It is a capturing and holding food. Esophagus. It is a short muscular tube. It connects the mouth of the stomach. It moves food through peristalsis wave-like muscle movement. The esophagus ensures that food reaches the stomach efficiently for digestion. Stomach. The stomach is an important organ in the digestion system. It stores food temporarily. It breaks down food using digestive enzymes and acids. It helps prepare food for further digestion in the intestine. Some fish may have a small stomach while others may not have a true stomach of all depending on their diet. Intestine. It is a long cold tube. It absorbs nutrients from digestion food. It moves waste toward the anus. Herbivorous fish usually have longer intestine to digest plant material, while carnivorous birds have shorter ones. Liver. It produces bile for fat digestion. It stores nutrients such as fats and vitamins. It helps in detoxifying harmful substances. It stores nutrients such as fats and vitamins. It helps in detoxifying harmful substances. A healthy liver is important for proper metabolism and energy storage. Pancreas. It secretes digestive enzymes. It helps regulate sugar level. It works together with the liver and intestine. In fish, the pancreas is often spread along the digestive gills. They are located on both sides of the head. They allow gas exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide out. They also help in salt balance. They allow gas exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide out. They also help in the salt balance. Gills are very sensitive and most stimulus to function properly. Heart. It has two main chambers, atrium and ventricle. It pumps blood to the gills from oxygenation. It maintains continuous blood flow. A strong heart ensures efficient oxygen delivery. Blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. Veins return blood to the heart. Capillaries allow exchange of gases and nutrients. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. Veins return blood of the heart. Capillaries allow exchange of gases and nutrients. These vessels connect all organs and tissues. They filter waste from the blood. They regulate salt and water balance. They help maintain homeostasis. Fish kidneys are adapted for freshwater or saltwater environments. It temporarily holds liquid waste, releases urine through an opening, helps control waste excretion.
The external and internal anatomy of fish. The eyes. The eye is used for sight and hunting. The mouth. The mouth of the fish is commonly used for consuming food. Pero ang iba na species ng isda, mayroong liwat na gamit pag lay sa mga bunay. The upper column, a plate-like structure that covers the gills to prevent infection. Mao siya nagproprotekta sa nasang para diri masulod sa mga parasite ng mga bakterya sa sulod sa hasang. The next is pelvic fin. Ang pelvic fin naman is a third fin located at the bottom part of the fish, and it is used for direction whether upward or downward. The pectoral fin. The pectoral fin is also third fin located behind the upper column, both sides of the body, and it's used for direction whether left or right. The dorsal fin. The dorsal fin is located at the upper part of the body of the fish. It can be used as stabilization and neutral buoyancy. Some fish use it as self-defense. Mayon mga isda nga ang era dorsal fin is spiny dorsal nga mayon toxin nga naguwas. Next is caudal peduncle. It is the base of the caudal tail that is used for precise movement of the caudal tail. And puno sa ikog sa isda, mao siya ang caudal peduncle. The caudal fin. The caudal fin is mainly used for locomotion of the fish. Mao siya ang ikog and ginagamit pagdalagan sa isda. Mayon there are different types of caudal fins. Mayon lunate, truncate, fork, continuous, rounded. Makikita man din sa picture sa PowerPoint. The next is lateral line. Lateral line is used as sensory organ of the fish by detecting the vibration of the water. Ginagamit siya sa isda para bilang sensory organ. Same as defense mechanism na liwat para ma-detect ang mga predator nga mga dag para makatakas pa sila. Next is naris. Used for smell and sensory system of the fish. Ano siyang pinaka-irong sa isda. Ginagamit liwat sa sensory system sa isda. Vent or anus, a terminal canal used for eliminating the waste. Mo siya naragyan sa research na ikang gingkaron sa isda. Pagkadto na sulit sa stomach, sisikret sa mga enzyme pag na-absorb na nutrients guguwas na siya sa vent or anus sa isda. Next is scale or an hingbis sa isda used to cover and protect the body of fish from being wounded or injured in a hard surface. Next is anal fin. Is used for stabilization by preventing the fish from rolling during movement. O siya gamit sa anal fin. Nape. Dorsal area just posterior to the head. Adidiri nga part sa ibaw sa mata. Nakalocate external part sa isda. Cheek. The area below the head and posterior eye. Interior to the posterior margins of the preopercle. Thank you.